Hi there, I'm going to show you how to update the software on your iPad. Now, obviously normally your iPad will tell you to update, but I always find it's best to wait a little bit before we update. But if you see your settings icon's got the little red tab, tap on it, and if we go to software update, it'll tell you that you've got a software update. I normally wait about a week or so after a software update, unless it's an emergency security update. So say we're going for the update, put the passcode in. This is my dummy passcode for videos. Don't ever use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Agree to the terms. Okay. So once we've agreed to that, it's going to start preparing. So that'll get ready. It's only about a 30 meg update, so it won't take too long. But you do need to have your iPad plugged into a power source. In this case, it's plugged into my computer, and it needs to be connected to Wi-Fi. Okay, now as that runs through, that will take a bit of time, so I'm not going to show the whole video. Then your iPad will restart and it will tell you that you've updated. Now I'm doing a series of iPad videos, tips, tricks, hidden features, lots going on with the iPad. So if there's something particularly you're looking for, check out the channel. There might be a video there already. If not, subscribe to the channel because we're adding iPad videos 2 or 3 times a week. So we are going to cover the iPad over the next couple of months. Right, so do subscribe to the channel. If this has been useful to you, don't forget to like us. And if you think it could be useful for someone else, don't forget to share. So eventually you'll get to the point that the software is downloaded. Your iPad will restart. It now tells us that I've updated my iPad to 11.2.6. So I'm completely updated. And I will open my iPad with the passcode you would never use. I'm just using it for speed on videos. Okay, as I said, please like the video, please subscribe to the channel and share if you think it's useful to anyone else.